Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther. So in today's video, it's a very interesting topic and I can't wait to share with you guys my take on network marketing industry and why I think network marketing does not work for most people, more so here in Africa. And this is my own opinion, so if you have your own opinion, I highly appreciate or I can't argue with your own opinion. This is my own opinion. So comment down below. Let me know, what do you think in the network marketing industry? Anything that you think, comment down below. Let us communicate. Let us share. So guys, if you want to know what I think and if you want to know why I have come to understand that network marketing may not work for everyone, I have a list and I will share with you three things that I think that network marketing does not work for everyone. So if you're interested, continue watching. In every network marketing, or if you want to succeed in network marketing, there's something called a process. In network, I think a myth about network marketing is a get rich quick. Network marketing is a process, and the minute that you want to join networking and you get rich tomorrow, it's not a get rich quick. And I have come to a conclusion to this, that if you hate process, if you hate taking time and building a brand and building a business, and you hate inviting people and they let you down, they don't come to your meetings, you call them, they say they are not interested. Network marketing is a process. That's what I'm trying to say. And I think if you are a networker or you have tried network marketing, and you can even comment down below and tell me if you didn't wait for the process, if you weren't patient with the business that you had joined, most probably that's why it didn't work for you. What I believe is anybody can do network marketing. In every company that offers the network marketing program, I've never had a company asking for education level. You must be a university student, you must have this degree. They don't ask for such things. In network marketing is a place that you can start your business regardless, that as long as you are of age, you're 18 years and above, you're good to go. So if network marketing has not didn't work for you, most probably you didn't like the process. And I tell you, this is what I tell all the people that I try to introduce in my network. I tell them, you introduce 10 people today, 5 people will tell you to your eyes or to your face, this is a scam, I'm not interested. And this is something that can crush your heart, more so if you're a beginner. But what I can tell you, because it's a process, don't stand there like, oh, they said it's a scam, now I can't market this company. The second thing that happens here, after you recruit 5 people, you have told 5 people about the business, 5 people have told you to your face is a scam, you're remaining with 5 people. 3 people will tell you, okay, I'll get back to you. Maybe you have sent a link, maybe you have sent a PDF. These people will even answer. They will even text back. If you had used a chat, they will chat back and tell you, I'll get back to you, let me read. And I'm telling you, they won't read. These people are the ones that, how can I call them? They don't tell you the truth. They know they cannot join your network, but instead of telling you they're not interested so that you cannot waste your credit, your time with them, they will keep on taking you around. Like, they are not interested, but they are not telling people. One person is so willing to join your network, but they maybe don't have the money to join your network. Maybe your network is asking for 100 euros, 200 euros, or $200 to join. And this particular person, even if they love your network, they don't have the money. Then you're remaining with one. You just need convincing this person, and the person will not even complicate the whole thing. He will send you the money, he will ask you how much. If he's convinced, he will join your business. So in every 10 people, you'll find out that you are able to sign up one person. So this is a process, and I tell so many people, if you want to do network marketing and to build a business and to build a network, you need to be ready for a process. And I think this is one of the reasons that it does not work for many people. So guys, if this is something that you would want to do, be ready for the process. It's not a get rich quick. Don't lie to your downlines. Don't lie to people who you are trying, your prospect, trying to tell them what the company is not saying. So I think that the process part of it, if you're not patient enough, you cannot excel, or you cannot succeed in network marketing. The second tip that I think that many people they don't succeed in network marketing is because they are not leaders. And don't get me wrong, when I say you're not a leader, it's not about I'm judging you because I've just looked at you and I've said you're not a leader. Remember guys, leadership is from your action. There's no way you can say you are a leader of this company and you know nothing about the company. You must be a leader to lead your network. How do you become a good leader? First of all, if it's a certain company that now you want to market or you want to do it as a business, you need to know everything about that company. You need to understand how to lead the people that will be following you, and also you need to keep on reminding your downlines. Let me call them the downline because they are the people that are following you. You keep on reminding them, do this, do that. You keep correcting them. You keep showing them that you care. And if you show them that you care, they will duplicate what you're trying to do. And at the end of the day, you'll succeed. So I think being a leader in the business, and it doesn't matter in any business that you are in, this is not something that you're supposed to be told. As long as that you have decided to work for a certain company, you should become a leader. Remember, network marketing, it's like nobody follows you around asking you if you have recruited, if you have people under you. This is a business that it's a self-driven business. So if you're not a good leader, if you're not a focused leader, how will you succeed? And I think this is something that makes many people not succeed. Okay. The third reason that I think that most networkers do not succeed in network marketing is that they don't do it as part-time. Guys, remember, if you are new to network marketing, you don't need to do it like you decide that's what you'll be doing. You will struggle. This is something that I have tried and I can tell you for sure. You need to have other side hustles apart from what you are doing, so that the minute this now network marketing you're trying to do, this company you're working for or you're working with, when it starts generating income, you can now decide if you want to now either build your businesses that are aside, or if you are employed, you want to leave the job. But don't come in network marketing, you are a beginner, it's the time that you're starting and you don't have any other source of income. That's number one thing that make networkers quit, because at the end of the day you need money for your expenses, and if this current network is not generating income, you tend to give up and say that it's not working. And mind you, the same network, many people are making huge money. So at the end of the day, you give excuses, this does not work, people are not making money, it's not for me. It's just because that you didn't have another source of income. Remember guys, in network marketing it's all about meeting people and introducing these people to our network. And how we do this is by arranging meetings and going in hotels and seminars and all these things. Everything has a cost, and let me tell you, if you have no budget of how to grow your network, most probably you will fail. And it sounds harsh, but it's the truth. So what I can tell you, if you want to succeed in network marketing, at least have a side hustle that will enable you to have at least you have resources of income, so that when you're not doing your networking, you still have money. So I think these are the three reasons I think so many networkers quit on the way, and they tarnish networking industry, which I have appreciated over time. And yeah, so if you can change the 3 things, if you're in networking and you have been struggling a lot, and you're asking yourself, why do my top leaders earn dollars of money, euros of money, why are they building why are they building houses, buying cars, and they are saying they are doing network, and I'm also in network, and no results, no nothing I can show, is because maybe you're doing the 3 things that I have told you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend network marketing industry. It has so much money and there is no competition. Never be lied to, there is a competition in network marketing. Everyone has a chance to shine, to make money. And currently I can recommend you to 20Xpro. I will link 20Xpro link down in the description box below. Is a new network. It started this year in January, and the best thing I love about 20Xpro is because it is giving online education courses. At the same time, it is giving opportunities to us networkers to earn as we learn. So for now, I have other networks, but currently I want to concentrate with 20Xpro. And if you're interested, follow the link. There's my number. You can call me and I can tell you the way forward. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.